When most people think of daily fantasy, they imagine hitting one big parlay and cashing out huge. But the truth is, that kind of strategy rarely lasts. Today, I'll show you how to use DigiFantasy as a long-term strategy, not just a lottery ticket chase. DigiFantasy is built around the concept of positive expected value. Instead of guessing or following trends, the platform compares real sportsbooks lines with Prize Picks, Underdog, and other DFS apps to identify spots where the odds are in your favor. This means you're not relying on one lucky night. You're building slips that have statistically edged play after play, week after week. The tools are designed for this kind of consistency. The DFS optimizer helps you spot value mismatches instantly. The DFS middling tool finds opportunities where both outcomes can work in your favor. And the AI slip generator takes the guesswork out by delivering ready-to-play slips proven to be profitable over time. Using DigiFantasy isn't about chasing one big win. It's about stacking small, smart edges that compound into long-term profit, just like professional bettors do. So if you're serious about turning daily fantasy in a long-term strategy, not just a quick parlay chase, DigiFantasy gives you the tools to do it. Click the link in my description to sign up today and start playing with an edge every single day.